Hi everyone and welcome to my channel Living with Amen. So in my previous vlog I told you about my pregnancy and now it's time to tell you what I have packed for my hospital bag. So this vlog is going to talk about what I packed for my baby for the hospital. So come with me. Okay, so starting off I have baby bottles. Dr. Brown, I have used them for my previous babies as well, and this work amazing, especially for newborn. I got my stash from America, so I got all my bottles, my extra nipples, everything. You do find them here, but if I had somebody coming from there, so I got all my stash from there. I have a few nappy bags for all those diapers and dirty clothes for baby. And just in case, I have mosquito patches as well, which are baby friendly. These are from Mama Earth. Okay, this are baby nests, and this is what I have used for both my kids. So technically these are not new, but yes, these are baby nests too, just in case if one gets dirty. Okay, and then I have the essentials in this pouch, which I've packed all of it. This is the diaper cream. These are all baby things to attach to baby's nest. I have a nail cutter, baby scissor. When babies are born, the nails are quite big. You don't want them scratching themselves. I have a baby comb, and yeah, that's about it. So these are the essentials. And then I have packed baby oil because I'm going to be at the hospital most likely for 3 days because of my cesarean. So I have a baby oil. I have baby shampoo as well. And then I have packed baby's first outfit. So anyone who will go through my bag will know what is what. And I've also shown everybody what is there. In case they don't remember, they can just read it. Everything is labeled. So this is baby's first outfit when baby is out. Okay. I have a baby going home outfit. And then wipes. Then I have a pacifier sanitizer. This is extra hats, bottles, bottle covers, and pacifier. This is a changing mat. It's a very small, so it's very nice. Doesn't take a lot of space if needed. Okay, these are extra clothes for the baby. These are bath towels, burp clothes, washcloths, and swaddles. And then I have extra swaddles, and I have a bag full of diapers. So this is all that is going in my baby's bag. And of course, not forgetting, if in my baby essentials blog I posted this. These are hip ready to feed milk bottles in case I need a top up for the baby or in case my milk hasn't come through. And not forgetting, most essential, is this car seat. It's a Mexicozy one. I got it from UK. There's one thing that I don't compromise on when it comes to babies is car seat and stroller. I never buy used, never get used because you don't know what it has been through, if it's gone in a crash site or not. So car seat and stroller, I always buy a good brand because quality, long lasting, and safety of your child. I, from my first child till my current child, I have never held my child in the front, like unless necessary. My kids have always been in car seat. I do not like the idea of kids being outside the car seat. So I already fixed the base in the car, and this car seat is ready to go as well. We leave the hospital, we leave with a car seat. I use my car seat everywhere, literally. I go to malls, I go out everywhere. This comes with me. So yeah, this is my baby bag. this is enough for a 3-day stay. I might even have a lot of extras, but just in case baby decides to vomit, baby decides to dirty the clothes, or dirty the swaddles. So I have extra stack up over there. Okay, now that baby's bag is done, let's see what I have packed for myself for my hospital stay. Okay, first things first. I have this oat bars in case I'm hungry, so I know I have something healthy to eat. Chewing gum for digestion after my cesarean surgery. My medication pouch, my medications are here. Some liquid IV for hydration. Taken some hotel slippers so that I don't have to return everything back. I've taken a lot of disposables so that I don't have to return things back. My breast pump just in case I require it. And then we have nipple cream. Oh, see, I forgot to put my toiletries back. Okay, it's quite a heavy, chunky toiletry pack. Let's see what I have inside. I have some makeup removing wipes, pads. I have some hair mist. Okay, I have my prayer book. And I have my makeup, deodorant, and dry shampoo, because you won't be able to wash your hair at the hospital. At least you can have dry shampoo to work with your hair. You don't want greasy hair. Okay. Um, I have a facial spray to refresh the face. And then I have my lip balms inside. So I have about 2-3 lip balms because one is never enough. Hospital gets your lips very dry, so lip balm for that. And then I have, yeah, like I said, disposables. So this is a dental kit, disposable. Again, use it, throw it, you come back with less things back to the hospital, back home. Okay. And then I have my shower gel, all minis. And like I said, a little bit of makeup. Okay, my everyday powder and moisturizer, and I have. And if I can, I have some lipsticks, I have some makeup and everything inside. But as a first time mom, or as a third time or second time mom, don't get overwhelmed by seeing all this. Listen, when I went to deliver the first time, I didn't even pack any of this. I don't even know if I'm going to use any of this, but this time, because it's my third time, I thought I might as well pack it. I might have the energy to make myself look good. Okay, it's just for myself, because hospital can bring out the worst in you, especially if you're having a cesarean. You come out, you're like, those sleepless nights and those tired eyes, and can have a good photograph as well. So maybe I'm packing too much, maybe I'm packing unnecessarily, but maybe I'll use it. Time will tell from the hospital if I'm going to use this or not. So these are the essentials in my toiletry bag. Coming back to my hospital bag. So I have packed some comfortable pajamas. If I'm allowed to change, I would love to change in my own set of clothes. I despise hospital gowns. I absolutely despise hospital gowns. I have a going home outfit, which is not yet inside the bag. It's going to be there soon. And these are the first time I'm going to be using this after getting reviews from my sister who used this. These are adult diapers. More like maternity pads, not maternity pads, maternity diapers. So basically, you don't have to keep on changing your pads. These are disposable diapers. Just tear and throw and use next one. So I have lots of this packed. I hope they help me. I have um, some breast pads. I don't know if I'll need them or not, but I've packed some inside anyway. And that's about it for my bag. There's nothing more in my bag. Yes, that's it. Sweet, simple, and easy that I have. I might add some more mints inside, and of course, my water bottle will be going with me because hydration is key. And then I have bag. So my handbag will be having my hospital file, my tripod in case I need it, and my charger, which will go in last because I don't have to put them from right now, and also my power bank because hospital outlets switches are far. In case I need to charge my phone, I have a power bank with me as well. Okay, and my camera will go with me, which I'm using right now for shooting. So you don't have to take everything. And also missing here is my brother's Instax camera, which he's going to give it to me when time is near. I've already told him to keep it ready. I take that as a souvenir because I take a photo when I leave the hospital of me, my baby, and my husband. So that is going to come in last. But this is all my hospital bag. So I hope this vlog was helpful for you. And please, if you are a first time mom or a second time mom or whatever, please don't feel overwhelmed. I might be going a little crazy here, seeing all those ladies on TikTok, you know, making themselves feel good, and maybe that's why what that's what I'm going to try to do. If I can, well and good. If I can't, I'm not going to be bothered, honestly. So don't take this too seriously. Just take the essentials, and you will be okay. Take care. Bye.